Hello everyone, welcome to ViTech Talks. In this video, I'm going to teach you, how to upload image into MySQL table. Okay, so in order to upload image, first we need to create a table first. So first, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to create a database. Create database. Database name is ViTech. Okay, this is my database. Now, my database is created. I'm trying to create a table. Create table. Table name is images or pictures. Okay, pictures I'm going to create here. So here I'm going to create, first one is ID, then there is a second column, it's the image. So this is very important, the data type. What is the data type we need to use? We can use blob or medium blob or large. Okay, so it's like a long blob here. So we have three mainly. So what are things we can use? Blob, medium blob, we have another one called long blob. Suppose this blob is not going to support, what we can do, we can use long blob or medium blob. Okay, let me try to create a table first. So this is my table name called pictures. Okay, cool. No database selected. Correct. We have created database, but we are not using the database. Use ViTech. Okay, use ViTech. So now we are in ViTech database. Now create a table. Now the table is created. Now let me describe the table first. Whether table is created with two columns or not. Yes. Okay. It is created. Now what we need to do is we need to insert. It's very simple. How we insert the values. Normally, the same way we are going to insert here. Insert into table name. Okay. ID, comma, images. ID, comma, image. Okay. This is my column. Now, the values. Insert into pictures. Values. So what is the ID? So ID can provide 1. We can hard code. That's fine. So as part of image, okay. So the image is in this location. Okay. The image is present in my system. Let's go to this PC. Let's go to any sample image. Okay. You can observe. So this is my image. I want to load this image. Okay. Just copy this path. Just give right click. Copy as path. Or else take this URL. Okay. Take this URL and paste it here. So before pasting, we have a function called load file. Okay, this is very important. Load file within single quotes, just within single quote, just paste the path here. So this is my path. This is my path. So what you can do is now try to run this query. and see whether we are able to insert any value or not. Okay. Now it is done. It is saying like, okay, success. Okay, fine. Now how to validate? Just a second. Select star from pictures. This is my table. When I try to run this, so here I can see null value. So this means we are unable to insert these values. Correct? We are unable to insert. Now, what is the way? Okay, how we can insert? How we can insert this? Here in MySQL, so it won't support your personal libraries or paths. Either it is a D drive or E drive or F drive. Okay, it won't support. So there is a path. Okay, what you can do? You can go to C drive. So here you can see program data. You can see program data. So sometimes it is hidden here. So in that case, what you can do? Go to address bar, type program data. It's very important. Okay, see program data. So inside this, select MySQL. Inside this, select MySQL Server 8.0. So here you can see uploads folder. So first you need to place all the images into this location. So this is my image. So I need to place it here. So this is very important. So this path you need to consider. Okay, always if you want to load images from your local machine, you have to consider this path. Now copy as path, or else take this path here. Go to MySQL. Go to MySQL. I think so. This double quotes we need to remove. Even though I'll run this one, we'll get only null value. See here, we'll get null value. Okay, now I'll change this path. I'll change this path. Okay, now the path is changed. Now the path is changed. So here, now try to execute this, whether you're able to load the data or not. Okay, just select this query and try to run and see, select star from pictures. Still we are getting null value only. The change is you have to place, okay, double slashes here. Okay, double slash. So then only it is going to accept. Then only it is going to accept. Now you can see. So insert is failed. Let me check. What is the issue? Data too long for column. Yes. So data too long means, okay, the size is very high. Okay, the image size, if you consider this one, so it is, okay, it contains 746 KB. Okay, blob is not going to support. So in that case, what we need to do, just you can drop the table or alter the table. So in this case, what I'm doing, drop table name. I'm dropping this. I'm going to recreate the table by using long. Okay, by using long blob. Now let me try to create this. Okay, now it is created. Then try to execute this query. Try to execute this query. So the insertion is done successfully. One row is affected. So here you can see one row is affected. Okay. Now try to validate the table. See here, now you can see blob, BLOB, blob. So what you need to do, just give right click here. Just give right click on the top of blob. open value in a viewer. Okay, just click on open value in a viewer. So here you can see binary format, text format, and image format. Okay, this is the image which I have uploaded. Now I want to save it. Yes, you can do save it. That's not a problem. Okay, this is how you can upload. This is how we can upload as many you want. As many you want, you can upload. But this path is very important. So here only you need to place all the images. From here, you need to consume or you need to load. Okay, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching this. Happy learning.